Hey y'all, it's Kevin here, and this is Pure Review. So if you are new to the channel, I review all kinds of products. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit up that like button and share with a friend, and feel free to hit me up in the comment section, because I do typically respond. So today's product is by a company called NPET, and I have a few of their products, which they've always been great quality. So I've always been impressed with them, and they're pretty affordable. So today's product is the YK10 Bluetooth wireless keyboard. So this is the box it comes in. I will include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon if you want to check it out for yourself. Like I said, their products are very affordable, but they're well made, which is one of the reasons I like them. So it comes in this straight up, very simple box. They stand by all their products. It has a 2-year warranty, if you have any problems. And once you open up the box, you're going to get a little user manual instruction thing. You really probably don't need this unless you want to kind of read over the hotkey, the ways to use them, which is really just using the function key and then the various F keys. Then you're going to get a little baggie, and in the baggie is the little Bluetooth receiver. So this is going to plug into a USB plug on your computer. Or if you want to use it for like a gaming console, you can do that too. So this would plug into the docking station of my Nintendo Switch. I'm sure the Xbox and PlayStation have also same type of similar thing. And then also on the back of a TV, if you want to use a keyboard on a TV, just plug this into the USB. So nice and compact there. And then you get the keyboard itself. So here's the keyboard. All the lettering's very easy to read. Then on the back, they have the little kickstands if you want to use these. It takes a single AAA battery, which is nice. Some of the keyboards I've had over the years take a lot of batteries, where this one only takes a single AA. No problem connecting it. It also has this kind of little frame around it, which makes it kind of look inset, which is kind of cool. And yeah, that's basically it. It's very reliable. My only kind of comments that I would say on it, and they're very minor, but I wish there was a place that you could permanently, so if you're traveling, I wish there was a place you could just kind of store this. So you got to just be very careful, don't lose this, because if you lose this, then the keyboard stops working. The other thing is, which doesn't bother me for what I use it for, but I could see if you're a kind of a gamer and you want an ultra silent keypad, this is a little bit noisier. It's more what I would say a standard keyboard sounds like. So I'll kind of type here. So it's a little bit, when you hit those, when you strike those keys, they're a little bit louder than some of the silent ones on the market, but I would say it's average to the average keyboard. So yeah, that is basically the setup. Like I said, they make great quality products. I really like them. I decided to get this after I got their ergonomical mouse, which is great. So check out my other YouTube video of this mouse, which is ultra silent, and it's one of my favorite mice that I've ever had. So yeah, that is basically it. So like I said, hit me up in the comment section if you have any questions, and there is a link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself on Amazon. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out, hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.